Hey guys, welcome back to RC311 Studios, where we mainly do RC product reviews. Guys, it's been quite a while since I uploaded a video, but I'm sure, as you guys can imagine, being in lockdown, it's been pretty hectic. I've worked all the way through it, so I haven't had really the time to make the videos. Weekends, I've just moved house back to Northamptonshire in the UK, so obviously my weekends have been taken up with moving, sorting stuff out. My tenant left this house in quite a state, so through the video, if you see everything looks a bit chaotic, just bear this in mind. Right guys, what we're going to do today is, I had thought about it. We've got a local track close to Santa Pod, which I'm sure a lot of you in the UK know as quite the famous drag strip. That's in Northamptonshire. There's a RC track that's just down the road from that called Nene Valley. Great little track. I think the last time I visited that to race was 7 years ago. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the RC cars, we're going to give them a dust down, pack them up and go off to the track. On that note, all the buggies that we're using the electric Agama 215, a Nitro Agama 215, a 215 SV as well, and we've also got the 319 that's probably not recently come out, but it's new to me. I haven't used any of these in probably 5 years. Well, used an RC car in 5 years. I've been buying this stuff but not using it. Pretty sad, I know. But on that note, what we're going to do is pack them up, go to the track, show you a bit of footage, and take it from there. Guys, feel free, if you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're going to do various different things. Mainly we do product reviews on affordable RC products. But on that note, we'll go to the track, we'll do some other interesting things. Also check out my other channels, quite interesting channels, so check those out. Yeah guys, on that note, what we'll do, we'll be bringing you the product reviews very shortly, so keep an eye out for those. And yeah, any information you need on RC, give me a shout, drop a comment in the box below, and I'll get straight back to you as always. Guys, take care, stay safe, and we'll get straight into this video. And that's it guys, fully loaded boot, ready for the RC track. Right guys, we're here at Nene Valley Raceway, predominantly a 1/5 scale track. I had heard that it needs a little bit of maintenance, which they're going to do with an upcoming 1/8 race. We're running 1/8 buggies, so we'll give it a bash, see what we got, probably have to go around a few things, and hopefully not get completely rode over by one of those 1/5 monsters. So let's get out there and give it a bash. Alright guys, that was a short video just to let you guys know I'm still about. We will be bringing you the RC, obviously the reviews on the affordable RC products. But just to summarise that up for the day, had a fantastic time at Nene Valley. Last time we were there was 7 years ago. I just happened to win the charity race that was held, and we will be doing it this year. Obviously they've got some great charities that they support, and we'll be definitely there giving our support. We'll take some products along to add to the raffles and different prize giveaways that they do. I will be shortly making some more RC affordable product reviews, so keep your eye out for those. Make sure that you've turned on notifications so that you know when I've uploaded new videos. For you guys that are interested in the Agama buggy, please go to nemoracing.com. They have absolutely everything. They do the tyres, the engines, the buggies. They have all the setup sheets. They have some quality team drivers that post up their setup sheets. We've got all of our stuff from Nemo Racing and all the setup sheets. Note the reason it was so easy to actually turn the buggy from a dirt setup to an AstroTurf setup, which was extremely grippy. All I can say is the Agama buggies are absolutely bulletproof, one of the strongest on the market. Guys, once again, thanks for joining me. Like I said before, stay safe, look after yourselves, and catch you on the next video.